Good evening. This case involves the rights of an illegitimate child. This is the case of Tayag versus Tayag Galyor with GR number 174680 promulgated on March 24, 2008. Facts of the case: on January 15, 2001, herein respondent Felicidad A. Tayag Galyor filed a petition for the issuance of letters of administration over the estate of Ismael Tayag. Respondent alleged in the petition that she is one of the three illegitimate child of the late Ismael Tayag. On September 7, 2000, Ismael Tayag died intestate. Petitioner averred that it is necessary to allege that respondent was acknowledged and recognized by Ismael Tayag as his illegitimate child. The present issue is whether or not respondent's petition for the issuance of letters of administration sufficiently states a cause of action, considering that respondent merely alleged therein that she is an illegitimate child of the decedent, without stating that she had been acknowledged or recognized as such by the latter. Ruling of the court: yes, the allegation that respondent is an illegitimate child of the decedent suffices even without further stating that she has been so recognized or acknowledged. The right of respondent to maintain such a suit is dependent on whether she is entitled to successional rights as an illegitimate child.